Well, here we are. It's a final paint on the top. Came out very nice. Really spectacular. Just like they do at the factory, they dab on a little bit of the, you can barely see it here, it's kind of having trouble focusing, but they dab on a little seam sealer on the top there. So it looks awful sharp. Very crisp. Much market improvement over the original, that is for sure. Very straight, and it is that nice Syngus white color. Looks awful good. Our next stop will be for it to go on to the sides, and that'll pretty much cover it right up. We're getting very close here. We are just, I'd say, literally hours away from starting and running this truck. And I'm going to say almost completion. Getting very close here. Nice to see.